I'm Mark from Pack Hacker, and in this video we'll be taking a detailed look at the Matador camera base layer 2.0. It may seem a little bit bulky, but that bulkiness offers some really great protection for your camera along with some other cool features. For the full written review and more information, head on over to packhacker.com, link in the description below. Let's jump in. So before we get too much into the 2.0 here, I just want to bring in the 1.0 just so you can really see like how much of a big step up this is. I mean, it's like almost not even the same product. So the 1.0, it's just kind of more of like a blanket that you're putting your camera into. So your camera just goes into here, and then you just kind of like clip it around. The sides are open. The padding's like nothing too crazy here. It's a pretty simple design. The only real other thing you got going on is you got one small attachment point here, and then you have a like packable rain fly in here in case you want to like turn that inside out, and then that just gives it a little bit more weather protection. But yeah, other than that, it's just like this little quilty blanket. Not a lot going on there. Now, when you look at that compared to the 2.0 here, I mean, it's just like night and day. There's so much more going on here. The material is thicker. It feels more padded. This one overall, for the most part, is a 420D nylon. So that'll hold up plenty well. It's more water repellent naturally than what the other one was. So this one, you don't need that like added rain cover. The whole thing is like your rain cover. So starting on the back here, just a couple different ways to carry this. So, you know, you can just take this and throw it in a bag, not necessarily even a camera bag, just toss it on top of your clothes or whatever. It feels pretty padded all around, so we're not worried about it getting like broken or dinged up or anything like that. Or you can clip it to the outside of a bag with this little hook here. It's metal, feels great, very snappy there. Or on top of that, we have just like a side carry handle here. And then this even has a little loop in the middle here in case you want to attach this, attach something else to this. Another thing you can do, which we'll get into once we open this up, is you can still have a like neck strap attached to your camera and then just have that coming off the side, so you can just wear this on your hip, if you don't need super quick access. And yeah, so that's the carry system there. Also on the back here, while we're here, this one has a little YKK zip pocket here. This is a great spot to just throw in some like extra batteries or an SD card. We can actually even fit our ND filter in here, just so you're ready to go if it gets sunny on you all of a sudden. But the pocket's pretty deep. It's not the thickest, but we can get whole hand in there. So it goes all the way down to here, so you do have some good space in there just for any little accessories you might need. On the bottom here, we do have a little adjustment point. So right now in here is in Sony a6500 with like a medium-sized lens, but if you do have something a little bit bigger, you can loosen this up and kind of pull this out. Make sure it's loosened up all the way. And so now it's a lot longer, so you can fit, a more like zoom style lens into here. So just pushing the camera all the way down, you can see like it really takes up that space well and then comes out more there. So yeah, you can use it with, a better variety of camera gear. And then if you do have a smaller setup like we do, you just tuck this kind of back into itself, tighten this up, and then all that extra just kind of becomes extra padding at the bottom. So kind of dual use there. Pretty cool design. On the front here, this just closes with a little magnet, stays tight and then clips out when you need it. And then it is underneath that, we have a roll top just for extra weather protection. So when you put your camera in here, roll this down and then this on top. And again, yeah, no water's getting in there unless it's crazy monsoon or you're dropping in a lake. So let's pull the camera out here just so you can see that's the size we have on ours here. And then if you do want to do that other carry style, you can clip shoulder or neck strap on, and then put this camera in. And then what you're going to want to do is just not roll it and just kind of like keep it a little more open. You can give it like 1 or 2 rolls, but that's about it. And then clip that. So this is a great way to carry it if you're hiking to a destination or something where you want pictures, but you don't necessarily need your camera on at all times. Because when you do need to take a picture, there's not really a great way, like unless you hook a carabiner or something to this and try to attach that some way. This is just kind of loose while you're taking pictures. So just something to note there. And then, yeah, the inside is just kind of a big cavern here. Again, like really nice feeling material. It's not, not soft by any means, but, it's not going to damage or scratch up your camera or anything like that. Nice, smooth, slick material in there. And then, yeah, just for the heck of it, one more time, we'll just show the bottom. So if we have this thing fully expanded out, you can fit a pretty big lens in here. So a great option if you just need some more padding and protection for your camera, especially if you might run into some rain or something like that. So there you have it, the Matador Camera Base Layer 2.0. Check out packhacker.com for more information and best buying options that help support the channel at no additional cost to you. Link down below, and we'll see you in the next video.